Hey Joe, this is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. I'm going to show you the top 3 optimizations that has helped countless others just like you improve leads coming into your website with Mokan Roofing and Contracting. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business on how the internet has benefited them and their company, plain and simple. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help a business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, after watching the remainder of what I'm about to show you, I'd appreciate some feedback or even a review on Google if you find the topics I cover important or even valuable to you, just so I can show others the importance as well. Now, before you try to do yourself, let me show you the top 3 optimizations that you can do yourself. Now, the first thing I have to go over with you is your content. So I have your website pulled up with Mokan Contracting, right? I did a quick search to your website and found you have about 200 words currently, which is totally fine. You can get those up easily. Now, I'm going to be going over one of your competitors as well, and I'll be doing Christian Brothers Roofing. Now, I did a quick search to them. They have about 700 words currently. So it's definitely easy to beat, and it's doable in due time. But every month people are searching for these certain keywords in number of time, which you miss out on not being number one. So pretty much keywords go into your content and they help others find your website. So I'm pulling up this tool Ahrefs. It's a paid program I use so I can figure out what a site is actually ranking for, right? It shows that you have 9 backlinks, 3 referring domains, and 6 organic keywords. Now I'm going to click on these real quick and go over it with you. So now I have your organic keywords pulled up. So you have Greenwood Contracting, Mokan Container, Mokan Kansas City, and these ones down here. Now you see Mokan has about 1,000 volume coming in to this keyword. That means 1,000 people are searching this keyword monthly. Now this is only a KD of 8, so this KD is on a scale of 0 to 100, 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. Now if you were to get this up to the first position, everyone searching Mokan, or at least a third of them, would come to your website. And that's how keywords work in the ranking positions. Now I'm going to show you your competitor, Christian Brothers Roofing. Now you see I have a little bit better stats because they have used SEO in the past. They have 2.16 thousand backlinks, 228 referring domains, so backlinks come from the referring domains, and you can insert as many backlinks as you want on each domain, and the organic keywords, you have 1.200. Now you can see right away, roofing repair near me. This is a very broad word for a keyword because repair near me can be anywhere in the states that people are searching for. But since he's in the 8th position and 1,700 people are searching for this keyword, he's bringing in a total of 38 traffic per month. Now, if you were to use Roofers Kansas City and bring up this keyword to a number 1 position, he'd be bringing in at least a third of this 350, and so on with all these other ones. Now, these all total up, and each person is a phone call waiting for a repair or a new roof. So the next optimization I'd like to go over with you is your Google Map Pack. So I did a search for Kansas City roofing, right? You have a city and you have a niche. This is the buyer intent keyword that you want to be ranking for. So you can see right here in the Map Pack, you have Christian Brothers has an ad pushing that because they know that getting ads and views on their name gives them more exposure. But you see Armor Roofing, Kansas City, Christian Brothers is still second, and Eastern Roofing is top 3, right? Now to get there, you need to start inputting citations. So pretty much the citation is your NAPs, a name of the company, an address of where the company resides, and a phone number for the company. Name, address, phone number, right? NAPs. Now, the way citations work is you enter into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. And these are pretty easily to get if you want to do the work for them. Now, another way to boost up these Google Map rankings with authority is you getting your 5-star ratings from all your customers. And the next thing I have to go with you is the third important aspect of Google. We call this thing gives just out authority, link juice. So I go back, I do a search for Kansas City roofing, right? You can see this is the first page. You have ads up here, and you have your Google Map Pack, and then you have organic listings. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be at the competition in every way in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, furthermore ranking them higher in Google. So, but there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, now for example, if you have Christian Brothers Roofing linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because this is a roofer and you're not a pizza shop. So I'm gonna go back to Ahrefs again because I'm gonna show you the backlinks now. I'm gonna show you his because you don't have too many of them. But the cool thing about this paid program, Ahrefs, is that you can go through their analytics and you see where their links are coming from, right? Roof info, roofing companies, all these down here, right? You can see where they're going to and the anchor text that they are using. So Christian Brothers Roofing. Now this helps your content rank within your website. So the three things we went over today were your content and keywords, those are together, your Google Map Pack, right, and your backlinks. Another thing I forgot to mention is you want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage so your website can start ranking organically. You can fit all those keywords so you can start ranking for those certain keywords that people are searching for. And you need more relevant information and more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google, or at least on the first page, depending on what your goals are. But you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. I'm a good friend of Amy and all the Jennisons. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.